Very good morning. In this video, we are going to see applications of operational amplifier. In the last lecture, we discussed some of the applications of operational amplifier. The applications of operational amplifier are listed below. One is inverting amplifier, second one is non-inverting amplifier, then integrator, differentiator, summer. So in this video, we are going to see applications of inverting amplifier one by one. First, we are going to see inverting amplifier. The inverting amplifier means the output of the inverting amplifier is 180 degree out of phase with the input signal. So this is your input signal which is applied to the inverting input of op-amp. So this is your output signal which is measured across the load with respect to the ground. It is observed from the figure 2. This is a figure 2. The output signal is 180 degree out of phase input signal. It means the output signal just opposite of the input signal. An op-amp can be operated as an inverting amplifier. The output is 180 degree out of phase as compared to the input signal. An inverting input signal Vin is applied through input resistor Ri to the inverting input. This means input signal is AC input signal which is applied to the inverting input terminal of the op-amp. At the same time, the output is also feedback to the inverting input. This means the output signal feedback to the input through feedback resistor RF. The main purpose of RF is to provide negative feedback. So this is circuit diagram. V input voltage, R is input resistor. This is the input signal is AC input signal. This input signal is applied to the non-inverting inverting input terminal through input resistance Ri. This is a feedback resistor. This feedback resistors is mainly used to provide negative feedback. This is a non-inverting input terminal. This terminal is directly grounded. So this is circuit diagram and the waveforms, input and output waveforms. Next one, we are going to see analytical part of inverting amplifiers. So an op-amp has an infinitive input impedance, as we already discussed. In the ideal characteristics, the input impedance is infinitive. This means that there is zero current at inverting input. If there is zero current through the input impedance, there must be no voltage drop between input, that means inverting input, and non-inverting input. That means there is no voltage between inverting input and non-inverting input. So this means This means that voltage at the inverting input is 0 up to point A. In this point, the voltage is equal to 0 because other point, that means non-inverting input terminal, is also grounded. So the voltage across this point, voltage across the two terminals is 0. Voltage at this point is equal to 0. This point is called as virtual ground. This point is called as virtual ground. At this condition, the feedback current is equal to input current. The feedback current is IF, that is equal to input current. Because the input current is 0. The input current is 0 because very high input impedance. So input current IN, it is equal to voltage across the RI divided by RI. What is the voltage across RI? Input voltage Vin minus node voltage. Voltage at node A, that is equal to VA divided by RI. This is equal to Vin minus node voltage equal to 0. At this point, voltage equal to 0, so that VA equal to 0 divided by RI. So that V in divided by R in. That is means input resistance. The feedback current IF equal to voltage across the RF divided by RF. What is the voltage across? VA minus Vout. So Vout is a VA minus Vout divided by RF. So what is the voltage at this node is 0. So in the voltage in this node is equal to 0. So that VA equal to 0 minus V0 divided by RF. So that what we are going to get, minus Vout divided by RF. So minus indicate negative feedback. So since already told, feedback current equal to input current, since IF equal to IN, what is IF? IF equal to minus V0 divided by RF. It is equal to, what is input current? Vin by RF. So from this equation we can find gain of the inverting amplifier. So gain of the inverting amplifier is called ACL, that is equal to closed loop gain. ACL is a closed loop gain, that is equal to V0 divided by Vin is equal to minus RF divided by RI. What is a gain? Gain means output voltage divided by input voltage. So that voltage gain ACL means closed loop gain. This is equal to V0 divided by Vin. It is equal to minus RF divided by RI. This is the voltage gain equation of inverting amplifier. So this minus indicate 180 degree out of phase. Next class we are going to see one of the application of op-amp is called as non-inverting amplifier. Thank you.